day 2 of the 3-day T-Day countdown. And today is the full Monty. Today is the killer. Today is kitchens and bathrooms. Boom. Like you can just hear that bell drop, right? Even saying kitchens and bathrooms in one clip, it's work, right? Well, hang on, don't get depressed, don't get overwhelmed. I got a plan for you. I had a little bit of a strategy. I'm gonna help you through this. And I am going to show you how to do that with the messiest kitchen, a full-blown, hard-working, nasty kitchen. A sink full of dishes. We've got oatmeal cookies all over the place, sandwich, leftover lunch going on, mail that just came in, and breakfast that I've not cleaned up yet. Yeah, that's the heart of it. That's a homeschool day, my friends, and I'm sure you don't have kitchens that look like something out of a magazine every single day, and I'm sure you want to know how to get up on those too, because it's easy to clean a kitchen that's already clean, and it's overwhelming to clean a kitchen like this. So I want to help you with that one. Where do we start? Tools. What do you need for a kitchen cleaning? I'm going to show you. I'm going to keep it really, really simple because this kitchen's already complex. I don't need to complicate the tools. I am going to use a cloth by eCloth. This is a stainless steel scrubbing cloth. I love having the scratch resistant scrubbers on the back of this cloth and then a regular side to clean normally with. Or any microfiber cloth will do. You don't have to have all these jazzy, awesome cloths. The next thing I'm going to use is a detail cloth. This is a Norwex window cloth. Then I'm going to use a little bit of a simple soap. My coveted Dr. Bronner's Lavender keeps me chill and the anxiety down when I'm going through a really stressful kitchen. In fact, I use this all over my house. The last thing that I'm going to use in cleaning my kitchen is this Norwex cleaning paste, and I'm going to use this for like my glass stove top, and these are my cookie sheets. I'm going to use them to touch up those as well for all the burn marks that are left on there, as well as in my stainless steel sink I'm going to use the Norwex cleaning paste to jazz this stuff up. This stuff is amazing. Don't be perturbed by the $30 price tag. This stuff lasts forever. And now let's go for strategy. How am I going to tackle this disgusting beast? This is how it's going to get done. Number one, you're going to prep and tidy. I am going to get rid of all the stuff in this kitchen that should not be here. The average kitchen cleaning, you ready for this? For a regular routine maintenance clean is about 45 minutes to a deep clean, which is an hour and a half.
I'm off to prep my space for the clean. I'm going to collect all the kitchen towels and cleaning cloths and throw them in the wash. I'm going to put away all the food, put all the dishes in the sink, empty the dishwasher, and wash the dishes. Then I'll have a clean slate with which to work with, where the bones of my kitchen is exposed, and I'm less likely to get overwhelmed when trying to focus on the actual clean. Quick tip. Use your Norwex window cloth on your dishwasher contents to dry them as you put them away. This will remove any pesky water spots that are going to linger and make your dishware look dirty again.
This is really moving along. I actually didn't spend more on those dishes than as I thought I was. It actually took me a total of about 10 to 13 minutes with stopping to talk to y'all on this. Wow, like the strategy really helped. So I am ready to go. I do kind of have a clean slate. Funny that I say clean. I mean, like, that's the farthest thing from clean, right? But whatever, okay? I meant there is nothing obstructing what I actually wanted to clean, and that's the bones of this kitchen. So that was step number one. We're moving on. Now that you got your time set aside and you know the tools that you're going to use, the ABCs of your kitchen that I want you to focus are the bones of your kitchen. We're going to start with the appliances. Fridge. You clean the fridge. You should definitely open the doors and make sure that you get the handles and the inside of those doors. If you have a bottom freezer, make sure you clean off this ledge as well. Dust off the top, that always gets neglected. It should be done every week. Dishwasher. Oh, if you have a microwave, you do the front and the inside. I keep forgetting that because I don't have one. Do the stove top, back, knobs, to the front as well as the door. You're also going to get the lip and ledge to the door and the oven below. So you will need some sort of scratch-free abrasive cleaner for stuff if you have a cooktop, especially if it's as nasty as mine. Oh my gosh. Next, you're going to get your backsplash, and that includes the stuff you always forget, the outlets, the light switch plates, all that jazz back there. C, cabinet fronts. If you have glass like mine, you're going to use a Norwex detail cloth or window cloth like I showed you. And the cabinet fronts, you're going to use none other but a little bit of sample Dr. Bronner's liquid Castile soap and a damp cloth. And if you feel the need to streak-free shine, you're going to buff it up with your Norwex window cloth. So you're going to get your cabinet fronts, your countertops, including all your countertop accessories. This is an excellent reason not to keep too much on the countertops. As you see, generally, I like to keep merely just a couple of things. Minimal stuff in your countertops makes this job go a lot faster. Last but not least, the really nasties of the kitchen is going to be to clean inside the sink. Empty the garbage. In this case, my garbage is under the sink. You should clean the garbage bin, take out the garbage, disinfect, replace your lines. So those are the ABCs of your kitchen cleaning, and that should take you anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on how big, how deep you want to get into your kitchen. This is a really small kitchen, but it's really dirty, and I can still get this done in 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You can too. Here we are again. I'm a little bit revived. I've had myself an iced coffee, finished my afternoon block for homeschooling, and wow, here we are. We're on bathrooms. Don't let the rest of the day get away until we finish our day 2 challenge. Our goal was kitchen and bathroom. Let's get to that. Is our day 2 kitchen and bathroom second step. Now I'll talk to you about the time and the tools. The time that you need to clean your bathroom. If you got a bunch of bathrooms in your house, I'm really sorry. You're gonna have to prioritize. It takes about 15 minutes to clean routine maintenance. A full bath should take you about 30 to 35 minutes. A ensuite, which is a full bath plus one, like it has a stand-up shower and a soak tub as well. Let's talk about the tools. I'm gonna use the bathroom cleaning combo by eCloth. You're gonna have a detail cloth and a scrubbing cloth. Rather than using these in the shower, I'm going to show you a little trick with a Starfiber Pro Mop system. You've got your tile scrubbing mop head.
So here's my little hack for an oversized shower cleaning. Use your detail cloth and your bath and shower cloth only to clean your fixtures, any niches or wall shelves. Your detail cloth should be used on any glass shower doors. Use your cleaning cloth on product bottles to clean them. And instead of using those 2 cloths and cleaning your entire shower by hand, use the Starfiber Pro Mop and the tile mop head to clean the shower walls, ceilings if you need to, and floor. This will speed cleaning time up and make it a lot easier on you. Yeah. Enjoy that one.
We've talked about time, tools, and even a little bit of products. I want to talk about how you should clean your bathroom when you're using cloths, because it's a little bit different than when you're cleaning with paper towel. You should have a little bit more of a conscientious approach, okay?
A bathroom cleaning strategy is merely cleaning your mirror, sink, and vanity first, leaving your tub and shower for second, and your toilet for last. This is just an infection control technique to ensure that you're cleaning cleanest to dirt.
A little bit of thought process and strategy makes the cloth cleaning experience really not so gross. So we're going to deep clean your bathroom. I want you to consider doing things like washing down the doors and any beadboarding that may be getting sprayed if you have like little boys like I do. And they get the whole place, not just the toilet. In fact, they even get the whole place more so than they get the toilet. And have a glass of something at the end of the day, because you rock if you get through this.